Today I show you 5 tips for mastering the repeat sentence in PTE. In the exam, repeat sentence is an item of speaking part. You repeat a sentence after hearing it. In this part, 2 skills are assessed: speaking and listening skills. An erasable notepad and a pen will be provided for note-taking, which can be helpful during answering. Scoring of repeat sentence. It is scored on 3 factors such as pronunciation, content, oral fluency. Pronunciation. In this part, your speech should be easily understanding and the response should be constant and in a native way. Content. Content is scored by counting the number of correct word sequence in your response. Your response should include all the words in the sentence. Oral fluency. You must speak at a constant or natural speed with appropriate phrasing and demonstrate a smooth and effortless rate of speech. Okay, many of my students think this section is about short-term memory. However, this is not. I'm going to show you a short video and then after that I give you the tips.
Item type. Some people, when they first encounter that, think that that's a memory test. In fact, it's not an item type that we just made up. It's well established in the field of second language acquisition, SLA. It's a highly researched item type, and there is a body of research from psycholinguistics that shows that actually it is a test of language proficiency and not a test of memory. In fact, memory does play a very small part in it. If I were to ask you to repeat a sentence of 3 or 4 words, you may be able to repeat that just by parroting it, using your short-term memory and mimicking the sounds. Even though you don't understand it, you could probably repeat it. But the research shows that after 4 or 5 words long, you're no longer using your memory. Rather, what the test taker has to do is understand what they've heard, and then when they repeat it, they have to reconstruct it.
So here is the meat and bacon. First tip is you must try to understand the meaning of the sentence. Pay fully attention and focus on grabbing the meaning of the sentence. If you understand the meaning, you can reproduce the sentence correctly. Secondly, using the notepad to take the initial letter as you listen. This will help you recall the sentence. It takes a bit of practice. Many of my students find this is the best tip to master it. The third tip is, there is no beep sound in this section. So you need to stay focused and start speaking after the status changes to recording. You have to speak immediately when the state is changing. The fourth tip is speaking with your natural tone. Do not try to copy the speaker accent or speed. You speak with your own voice. Last but not least, fluency is highly important in all the speaking section. So if you make a mistake, go on. Do not repeat yourself. These are 5 tips to help you master this section. Do not forget subscribing to our channel for free tips.